Okay, so unboxing video. I think this is my third Selkirk unboxing video, maybe, yeah, something like that. Super exciting. A couple weeks ago, I got an email from Selkirk saying, shh, we're coming out with our own line of pickleball shoes. And I thought, wow, how exciting, because I like Selkirk clothes. I've been able to get a few different kinds of clothes, shirts and pants, hats. So far happy with all the quality of the clothing. But they said they're sending me free shoes. That's the other thing. Whoever sends you free shoes, I got free shoes. This is my Selkirk free shoes. And I'm not sure if I can even tell anybody about it yet. I have to go back and look at the email. But I'll sit on this unboxing video until it's okay. But right now it's kind of a secret that Selkirk is doing shoes, I think. So I get the shoes and then 40 hours. I'm supposed to play 40 hours in the shoes and write up a report. First of all, as is the case with other Selkirk packaging, nicely done. Taking a page out of Apple. I mean, this is, look at this. Are you kidding me? The shoes come out in a drawer. Okay, well done, Selkirk. This is one of those boxes you keep. Now, my first look, your first look at Selkirk pickleball shoes. I think I was offered a choice of 3 different colors, black, white, or tan. Yeah, I chose the black. And they look and feel very cool. First thing that's striking me is that they're very black. Nothing else on there. Kind of a cool feeling rubbery surface. Got some owls talking to us in the background. Yeah, I just came off the pickleball court. They're already laced up. I'm just gonna try one on and give my first thought. Oh, I don't have the right socks. Shoot. Okay. Well, what I can tell is that the size is, I think, pretty true to what I was expecting. So when I put my pickleball socks on, which are a thinner sock than what I have, they're going to fit really nicely. Haven't laced it up, but I can feel that it's got great support. So that's the unboxing for today. The latest from Selkirk, their brand new pickleball court shoe. I will let you know, and after 40 hours of use, exactly what I think of them. My leather box. Let's go play some pickleball.